So today I'm going to make air fried chicken wings in an avocado sauce. The avocado sauce is going to be great. I'm going to show you how I made that in just a second. The ingredients for the avocado sauce are simple. You're going to need 1 large avocado, about a 1/4 onion, 1 clove of garlic, some lemon or lime juice, fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of parsley, or you can use cilantro, about 4 ounces of sour cream, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to blend it until it's completely smooth. So let's get to these wings. I've already cleaned and dried them. So I want to add a little extra flavor to it. So I diced up some onion. We're going to get the onion in here. All right. I'm also going to add a little more salt because the avocado doesn't have that. The avocado sauce doesn't have as much salt as I would like. And I'm going to get some cracked pepper in there. Nice and fine. A little bit of olive oil just to kind of coat these things up a little bit, just maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so I kept this in the fridge. I made this earlier, avocado sauce, and you can see this beautiful green color. And look at that. That's gorgeous. All right, so I'm just going to spoon some of this on here, and look at this. This is beautiful. Just going to slap some in there, probably a couple of big heaping spoonfuls. So I'm going to get in here and just toss this up, get this all working. Now I can already smell the avocado, the garlic, the onion. Ugh. I'm going to let this sit in the fridge. You can let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge, even overnight. It's not going to hurt it. I'm going to let this sit for about a 1/2 hour to 45 minutes just to absorb some of that flavor, and then we're going to get to the air fryer. All right, so I'm going to take the chicken now that's been marinating for about a 1/2 hour. And we're going to get these into a preheated 400-degree air fryer, our Ninja Foodie here. You can hear a little bit of sizzle there. Set it to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So now that's finishing here, it's cooling. It's been about 18 minutes at 375 on this one here. I rotated them about halfway through, so let's take a look. Look at that. They look awesome. So I'm just going to pull these out. You can take a look at the color here. Look at these. Beautiful color. Nice crispy skin. So I'm going to pull these out. I'm just placing these nice on this platter. Look at this dish. This platter is beautiful. And the color, awesome. The smell is fantastic. So I made it a little pretty with some basil here. Hey, if it looks pretty, you're going to eat it. It's going to be more enjoyable. So I'm going to take some more of this green avocado sauce here that we made earlier, and I'm just going to get some on top here, just a little bit to give it some color, some freshness. Let's give it a taste. All right, I'm going to take this one here from the end. It looks really good. Oh yeah, you get that little bit of lemon in the background. The basil hits you, a little garlic, onion. The avocado gives it nice creaminess with that sour cream. Now, if you don't want to use sour cream in the sauce, you can always add a little bit of regular cream or even a little bit of milk just to loosen it up, make it a little bit more creamy for you. This chicken is fantastic. You guys got to give it a shot. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. It's delicious. I'm sure you guys will love it. Give me some likes, some shares. And hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Hit the bell so you get notified anytime I make a new video. And I'll see you in the next recipe. Thanks for watching.